We have discussed three types of file: text files, binary files, CSV files. Let's talk about text versus binary file. Then we will be doing now everything you will see programmatically. Now very less theory is there in this file handling chapter. Everything is program. Text file versus binary file. And don't worry, I will teach you that GUI also. Once I promise, that means I will teach you. Don't worry about it. We will make the software by using graphical user interface. Text file versus binary file. What is the basic difference? What is the basic difference? Text file versus binary file. Just understand this thing. Data is stored as per the external representation of characters. जो आपको दिखता है ना कैरेक्टर जिस शेप में, डेटा इज स्टोर्ड एज पर द एक्सटर्नल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स. एज पर द एक्सटर्नल, जैसा डेटा दिखता है आपको वैसा ही स्टोर होगा टेक्स्ट फाइल में. बट इन बाइनरी फाइल, हियर very simple difference. Data is stored as per the internal representation, machine. जैसा मशीन समझती है ना, मशीन और कंप्यूटर, वी कैन कॉल एनीथिंग कंप्यूटर ऑब्लिक machine. Data is stored as per the internal representation in computer oblique machine. Fine. Here data can be viewed directly. Anyone can view because it is stored in external representation. Simple fund hai. You can see this is external. The data which you are seeing here in this file also, this is external representation. This is external representation of data. And here data cannot be viewed directly. It has to be opened by some program. Data can be viewed only by program or binary editor. There are some editors available. जैसे ये है टेक्स्ट एडिटर, नोटपैड. कुछ आते हैं बाइनरी एडिटर्स जो बाइनरी फाइल को एडिट कर सकते हैं. बाइनरी फाइल को एडिट अपने पास कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. One main difference I will let you know once we will do the program. There is one more difference that we will do. And third, first of all, are used when we want to store text as characters. Text को store करना as a characters. And here are used to store audio, video. वो सब बाइनरी फाइल होती हैं. ऑडियो, वीडियो, इमेजेस, ये सब टेक्स्ट फाइल नहीं होती. इमेजेस एक्सेट्रा. एंड बाइनरी टेक्स्ट फाइल्स, we'll discuss it later on, but for time being you just understand audio, video, images, ये टेक्स्ट फाइल नहीं होती हैं. ये एक्सटर्नली स्टोर नहीं होती हैं. दे आर बाइनरी फाइल्स. ये अपने पास बाइनरी फाइल होती हैं, तभी ये सिस्टम पे डायरेक्टली ऑडियो, वीडियो और इमेज अपने पास दिखती है. आर यूज टू स्टोर ऑडियो, वीडियो, इमेजेस और बाइनरी टेक्स्ट, सिंपल बाइनरी टेक्स्ट. ठीक है. ओके, ये था अपने पास थ्योरी. नाउ let us start with the main process. Okay, so first of all let's start with text files processing. Text file operations, let me say text file operations. And I'm telling you, this is super amazing thing that you are learning right now, because this is all about softwares, how to create softwares. So मैं देखा होगा कि by using some software you can download PDF file, you can upload your CV, you can upload text file, you can download text files, you can download document files. How these softwares are doing, वो software कैसे करते हैं? That is the main task of file handling in Python. And file handling is available in every language. C, C++, Java, Python, every language supports file handling, because every language requires data to be stored permanently. And database also, we can connect database, we can connect files. अभी बताऊंगा आगे why we need database when we have file handling, why what is the need of database if we are having file handling। दोनों ही चाहिए होते हैं अपन को, देखो दोनों ही चाहिए होती हैं। कुछ प्रोज हैं कॉन्स हैं टेक्स्ट फाइल्स के, कुछ प्रोज कॉन्स हैं अपने पास में डेटाबेस की, ठीक है। लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दिस टेक्स्ट फाइल ऑपरेशंस इन पाइथन। फाइन, ओके। तो फर्स्ट बहुत ही सिंपल है, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड फंक्शन है, ओपनिंग ए फाइल। देखो you all know if you want to do any kind of operation, if you want to do any kind of operation with file, सबसे पहले आपको उस फाइल को ओपन करना पड़ेगा। now do remember here opening doesn't means you will double click on file। यहाँ ओपनिंग का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप फाइल के पास जाओगे डबल क्लिक करोगे खोलोगे, नहीं। वी हैव टू ओपन लॉजिकली इन रैम, लॉजिकली ओपन करनी है बैकग्राउंड में, लॉजिकली। लेट मी राइट इट हियर, ओपनिंग ऑफ फाइल means logically open the file for reading, writing the contents of file via RAM। and you can, some book says buffers are temporary storage device, buffers are temporary storage device, temporary storage, don't worry about it, buffer technical word is there, temporary storage or RAM, you can call it RAM। Here opening of file means logically open the file for reading writing the contents of file via RAM, not physically opening। फिजिकल ओपन कैसा होता है, डबल क्लिक करके खोलते हैं, वो नहीं करना अपन को, वो नहीं करना, बिकॉज वी विल बी डूइंग बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड, ओपनिंग ए फाइल, है ना। सो वन नोट लेट मी राइट, फॉर डूइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ ऑपरेशन, फॉर डूइंग any kind of operations, first step is opening of file। do remember first step is opening of file, for doing any kind of operations first step is opening of file, always remember, ठीक है। कैसे ओपन करते हैं, let's understand this opening of a file, ठीक है। here let me write open function, very simple, name is there, open, close, open, read function, write function, बहुत ही यूजर फ्रेंडली है। open function is used, open function is used, ठीक है। this function accepts two arguments, accept करता है दो argument, कौन कौन से, this is the syntax of this function, name of function is open, round bracket start, here path of file, ये डबल कोट्स में आएगा, path of file, if you are making it fixed, path of file comma, let me write simple path of file, it can be variable also, path of file, or you can say location and mode of opening, mode of opening। what is the meaning of this mode of opening? अब आपने, you might have seen in schools also that in some of the drive you have read permission, some of the drive you have write permission of file, some of the drive you have execute permission, these are permissions। we can set the permissions that I want to open the file only for reading purpose। what is the benefit, what is the utility of setting the permission? because by setting the permission you will be using that file only for the dedicated purpose, not for all the purposes, fine। so you can specify the mode of opening, we will discuss this mode of opening, and path of file, what is the meaning of this, okay। let us just, let me open it, this function returns the file object oblique handle, file object handle, which stores the link of external file be which is opened, external file which is opened. Let me tell you what is the meaning of this. Opened by open function. देखो बताता हूं मैं क्या मीनिंग है इसका. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखो एक बार, ये रिटर्न करेगा फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट हैंडल एक रिटर्न करेगा आपको, सो दैट यू कैन कम्युनिकेट. बेसिकली दिस फंक्शन इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग ए लॉजिकल कनेक्शन विद द एक्सटर्नल फाइल विच इज स्टोर्ड एट दिस लोकेशन. जो भी आप लोकेशन बोलोगे, सी ड्राइव, डी ड्राइव, ई ड्राइव, फोल्डर, whatever it is, and mode of opening, in which mode you want to open, read mode, write mode, append mode, read binary, append binary, and there are a lot of modes that we will discuss. Don't worry about it, we will discuss about these modes. Fine. So let me just write few example, then you will understand. You'll understand everything. Let's take one variable f1 open function. f1 equals to open function. In the double quotes I'm writing few things, just see it very carefully. E slash my doc slash abc dot text. Let me write it, then I will be clearing it. R f1 equals to open e colon. Now what is the meaning of this? This is a file path in double quotes and file opening mode in double quotes. Double quotes में आएगा, mode of opening अपने पास double quotes में. Let it write double quotes only for betterment. Let me write double or single quotes, you can use anything. So what is the meaning of this line? As you all can understand by reading this, open का मतलब open करो. कौन सी फाइल open करो? abc.txt, and it is stored in drive E under my doc folder. my doc नाम से कोई फोल्डर है E ड्राइव में, उसके अंदर abc.txt है, उसे खोल दो. किस मोड में? रीडिंग मोड में. फॉर रीडिंग पर्पस आई वांट टू ओपन दैट फाइल. फॉर रीडिंग पर्पस आई वांट टू ओपन दैट फाइल. I will write all the mode, don't worry about it. I will write all the mode for this. ठीक है, एक और एग्जांपल देखो. f2 equals to, so here let me write something. So here it will open the file which is stored in my doc folder of E drive. Here it will open the abc.txt file, abc.txt file which is stored in my doc folder of E drive and is opened in read mode. R for read mode. R for read mode. अभी अपन इसे करेंगे execute, then you will understand everything. Now one thing is there. Now we cannot use that website because that website doesn't support this external file storage. Now suppose here मैंने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. अब क्या मतलब है इसका? f1 equals to open abc.txt और रीड मोड में. इसका सिंपल सा फंडा है. ये क्या करेगा? ये कहाँ सर्च करेगा? Wherever your program is stored in the same folder, it will open the abc.txt file which is stored in same folder where program is stored, which is stored in same folder where your program is stored. जहां आपका प्रोग्राम स्टोर है ना, ये उसमें ढूंढेगा. सिंपल सा डिफरेंस है, बहुत सिंपल डिफरेंस है. ये तो आपने पूरा पाथ दे दिया. Then it will go in E drive, then inside my doc folder, inside it there is a file called abc.txt. Open it for read mode. It will go in this. But if you are not specifying any path, अगर आप कोई लोकेशन स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रहे हो, तो वो क्या करेगा? It will search the file in the same folder where your program is stored. अगर आपका प्रोग्राम डेस्कटॉप पे स्टोर है तो ये डेस्कटॉप पे सर्च करेगा. इफ योर प्रोग्राम इज स्टोर्ड इन ई ड्राइव तो ई ड्राइव में सर्च करेगा इन द सेम फोल्डर wherever your program is stored. Understand this. ठीक है, and let me write one more thing. Right now we are only discussing read mode. One more example. f1, suppose here I am writing path equals to, path को मैंने यहाँ स्टोर कर लिया. ऐसा भी अलाउड है because after some time we will ask the user to specify the path. मैंने यहाँ स्टोर कर लिया. अब क्या सिंपल सा फंडा है? I will not write double quotes in path because that is stored in string variable. ऑटोमेटिक उठ के आ गया. एंड R, same thing, same as first one. This is example. let me write this is example 1, example 2. What is the utility of this? Let's just execute now. You will understand once you will see everything practically. So now I have to open the Python idle for you, and let us just write these lines. बहुत ही simple line लिखी है मैंने. Let's just save it first. I am saving it, this program. Suppose I am storing in desktop, and let me make one folder here, desktop. Suppose Python, desktop Python folder. Let me write the name of this. Suppose file 1, file 1. That's it, saved. I will not write anything except that line. Just see, f1 equals to open. Just see very carefully. First of all, let's do it. abc.text, comma, read mode. Now you will see one behavior, it will show error. It will show error. Why so? Because abc.text, it will be searching in the same folder where your program is stored. Let's just do it. I have not written this part of program. See, you can imagine, you can read the error and you can understand it properly by reading it. File not found error. File not found error. No such file or directory. That's it. We know that. Let's just check it out whether it's there or not. We know it's not there. See, on desktop Python folder, nothing is there. There's only one file, file 1. There is no file called abc.text. That's what it is giving error. It is giving error. Fine. We will overcome with this error also. I will slowly will understand everything, that how to overcome this error. First thing is understood. Fine. Let me create that file. Let me create one file on desktop, that same folder, that is abc.text. मैंने एक text document लिया, नाम लिख दिया abc. Let us write something here. Hello, this is my file. This is my file. Text लिख दिया मैंने. देखो क्या होगा रीड करने से. ओपन करने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि फाइल सामने खुल जाएगी एंड प्रिंट कर देगा कंटेंट. नो, वी आर सिंपली ओपनिंग. वी आर जस्ट गेटिंग द कंटेंट ऑफ फाइल इनटू रैम, ताकि मैं फिर बाद में रीड कर सकूं. सी नाउ, इट विल नॉट गिव एनी एरर. नो एरर बट नो आउटपुट ऑल्सो. नो एरर बट नो आउटपुट. दैट मीन्स लॉजिकली आपकी फाइल क्या हो चुकी है? ओपन हो चुकी है. रिमेंबर इट, लॉजिकली योर फाइल इज ओपन. आपकी फाइल ओपन हो चुकी है. फाइन. ओपनिंग करने के बाद के काम है वो रीड करना, कंटेंट देखना, चेंज करना, अपडेट करना, डिलीट करना. ऑल सच थिंग वी विल डू. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर फाइल नहीं है तो रीड मोड क्या करेगा? एरर देगा. अदरवाइज इफ फाइल इज देयर देन इट विल ओपन. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इफ फाइल इज नॉट देयर इट विल गिव एरर. लेट मी राइट abc1.text. एरर देगा, देखना. फाइल नॉट फाउंड एरर. दैट मीन्स इफ फाइल इज देयर then it will be opened. If file is not there, it will not be opening. ठीक है. Let us just write path location e:/my doc/abc.text. First of all, let's see E drive whether there is a folder called my doc or not. My doc में folder है भी या नहीं है? See, there is no folder called my doc. There is no folder called my doc. Only my data is there. Fine. There is no folder my doc. That means it will give error, of course. See, just a minute. OS error, invalid argument. Okay, just a minute. I just forgot to tell you one thing. My mistake. File not found error. See, file not found error. No such file or directory. No such file or directory. Now, why I have put here 2/ instead of single/? Why I put 2/ instead of single/? Let me just tell you what is the reason of this 2/ instead of single/. Let me write here, suppose naman is the folder and the file is new.txt, and let me put single/. Let me put single/. You all know backslash n means line break. You all know. You all know backslash n means move the cursor to next line. And similarly here, backslash n means move the cursor to new line. So I want that this path should be created properly. Instead of making backslash n as a escape sequence output formatting, I want this slash to be included. I want this slash to be included. Let me write one important point. Very important point. Let me write it. For path. Very, very important point. Very, very important point. Always remember whenever you want to specify the path, then use two forward slash together, two forward slashes together. Otherwise, single slash will form escape sequence. I will discuss this escape sequence also. Escape sequences, which is used for output formatting, that is backslash n backslash t. Output formatters, output formatters, output formatters. That is backslash n backslash t. You know that single slash क्या करेगा, will form escape sequence output formatters. So if path is e colon slash my doc slash abc dot text, here we will write in the following manner. What is that? Following manner: e colon 2 slash my doc 2 slash abc dot text. We will discuss further about escape sequence. This thing we will discuss later on about escape sequence. But for time being, right now you just understand that we have to use 2 slash. 2 slash यूज करोगे एक आएगा, 2 slash यूज करोगे अपने पास एक आएगा, अदरवाइज वो नहीं लेगा. ठीक है. Now see, naman new text dot r. It is not giving actual thing. Now it will be. And how can we prove it? How can we prove it that it is not that path? How can we prove it? Let's just prove it. Let us just prove it. Let me store in some string. We can prove it also. Let's take one variable s1 equals to, and let's try to print s1. You'll get to know what I want to convey. You will surely know what I want to convey. Let's put single slash. You'll understand what exactly I want to convey here. See, this is the problem. I guess output is saying all the answers. All the answers are in this output. You can see backslash n के कारण मतलब आपका जो path था ना, वो आपने दिया ये वाला path और बन गया क्या ये वाला path. See this, which nonsense thing it's created by using this. दिया आपने path ये और उसने क्या बना दिया, क्योंकि backslash n is coming. That's why वो कर्सर नीचे आ गया, तो ये ऐसा कुछ path बन गया जो कि wrong path है. Wrong path है अपने पास में. Understand this thing, very important. That's why let me put backslash, let me put backslash and let's save it. Now see this. Now see this. I hope you understood about this, that what is the importance of putting do backslash. Always remember, this is most important thing. Okay, so now we have done this, fine. Now let's do it by using this. Suppose I am taking path equals to this, and let's open it. F1 equals to open path comma r. This is also okay, no issues. You can take the path in some variable and you can have it like this. File not found error, because there is no such folder called naman in my E drive, and if there is no folder, it will not be opening it. And let's see, there is one drive D. There is one drive D in my PC. Sorry. See, there is one drive in my PC. There is one drive D which is logged. There is one drive D which is logged. Now, if you try to open the logged file or password protected file, वो open नहीं होंगी. There is D drive. I have mentioned D drive. Let's just check it out. देखो OS error आ गया इस बार. OS error मतलब OS error means operating system का error. Operating system जो Windows 10 डला हुआ है. Operating system is not understanding that argument is invalid because that drive is not present, that folder is not present, or that kind of thing is not present. Always remember that thing is not possible if you will do it. Fine. Okay. So now let me write few things. I hope you are understanding these things. बहुत ही simple था. One special point. I will give you short notes also. In read mode, in R mode, let me write R only. R mode. R का मतलब read. In read mode, a file will be only opened if it exists. Simple. File will be only opened if it exists. If file does not exist, then it will give file not found error. Do remember this. If file does not exist, then it will give file not found error. ठीक है. Third, if drive is logged, not present, drive folder, both thing. If drive folder logged है या not present है ही नहीं, तब भी क्या आएगा? It will give. First of all, let's see for logged. If drive folder is logged, then it will give OS error. OS error. OS error का मतलब operating system error. Operating system is not understanding. Operating system error. Okay. और अगर drive folder है ही नहीं, fourth point, if drive folder is not present, जो आप बोल रहे हो present ही नहीं है, then it will give file not found error. ठीक है, लेट्स जस्ट चेक इट आउट वंस. अगर ड्राइव नहीं है तो कौन सा देता है एरर फॉर योर. सपोज ड्राइव इज, सपोज ई की जगह में लिख दिया एफ ड्राइव. आई हैव ओनली सी डी एंड ई. लेट्स जस्ट चेक इट. एफ ड्राइव में क्या होता है? फाइल नॉट फाउंड एरर. ड्राइव इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. द ड्राइव विच यू आर आस्किंग इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिस्टम. हाउ कैन यू ओपन दैट ड्राइव विच इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन योर सिस्टम? अंडरस्टैंड दिस. रीड मोड ओनली एक्सक्लूसिवली यूज फॉर रीडिंग पर्पस. इसका मतलब क्या समझ में आया अपन को कि रीड मोड में ओपन करने के लिए फाइल प्रेजेंट अपनी होनी चाहिए. फाइल अपनी प्रेजेंट होनी चाहिए. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स डू इट क्विकली. फर्स्ट देखा अपन ने रीड मोड, हमने सिर्फ देखा अभी आर मोड. ठीक है. नाउ सेकेंड, इसी में बी डब्ल्यू मोड. डब्ल्यू का मतलब होता है राइट मोड. वी आर जस्ट लर्निंग right now opening of file in different mode. राइट मोड. अब मोड क्या हो जाएगा अपना? राइट आ जाएगा. W मोड. ठीक है. लेट्स जस्ट डू द सेम एग्जांपल. राइट मोड में क्या होगा? लेट मी राइट फर्स्ट. इन राइट मोड, इफ वी ओपन द फाइल इन राइट मोड, इफ वी ओपन द फाइल इन W मोड, that is right mode, W mode, then a file of 0 KB size will be created if file is not there, otherwise it will remove the content of existing file if present existing file. Do remember W मोड में क्या होगा, फाइल बन जाती है, ये भी अपने सीखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सपोज दैट यू आर क्रिएटिंग ए सॉफ्टवेयर एंड यू वांट दैट आई वांट टू स्टोर माय स्टूडेंट्स रिकॉर्ड, तो स्टूडेंट के रिकॉर्ड स्टोर करने के लिए मुझे फाइल बनानी पड़ेगी। फाइल बनाने का मतलब W मोड में खोलूँगा, राइट मोड में। तो देयर इज़ वन प्रॉब्लम विद W मोड, इफ़ देयर इज़ नो फाइल देन इट इज़ ओके, बट अगर फाइल वहाँ हुई तो क्या करेगा, ओवरराइट कर देगा, ओवरराइट, इट विल रिमूव, यानी ओवरराइट द कंटेंट ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल। अगर उस पुरानी वाली अगर फाइल पड़ी हुई है एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट्स इन दैट फाइल एंड यू हैव ओपनड बाय मिस्टेक इन W मोड, तो पूरी फाइल खाली कर देगा। लेट्स जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड टू लाइन नाउ। एग्जाम्पल बहुत सिंपल है, एग्जाम्पल 1 वेरी वेरी सिंपल। F1 इक्वल्स टू ओपन, लेट मी राइट हेयर सपोज student.doc बन जाएगी, वर्ड वाली बनेगी, वर्ड के लिए फाइल, वर्ड वाली फाइल, W मोड, एंड वेयर इट विल बी क्रिएटेड यू ऑल नो, बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट स्पेसिफाइड द पाथ, तो इट विल बी क्रिएटेड इन द सेम फोल्डर वेयर प्रोग्राम इज स्टोर्ड। इट विल बी क्रिएटेड, it will create the file, it will create or overwrite, you know that, overwrite the file, overwrite the file in the same folder where program is stored, जहाँ आपका प्रोग्राम स्टोर होगा वहीं पे अपना ये स्टोर करेगा, where your program is stored। let's just execute it, very simple line, बहुत simple line है, sorry by mistake I just gone there, okay, let's just take this line, very simple line, you know that this is so simple, let us just make it F1 equals to open student.doc W mode, let's just execute it, fine, nothing is printed, print होगा भी नहीं, because you are simply opening a file। let's just see what exactly is stored in my folder, that was the folder C, amazingness, वन फोल बन गई फाइल अपने पास, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, ओपन इट, 0 KB साइज है, यू कैन सी साइज इज 0 KB, blank content, but let's write something here, suppose here my name is Suraj, I want to become data scientist, ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ है, let's save it, सेव कर दिया, let's just open it again, you can see content is there, 26 KB है फाइल का साइज। now let's do the execution of program, अब देखना, executed, close it, you will see the magic now, see 0 KB, that means Suraj is removed now. Suraj was saying, my name is Suraj, I want to become data scientist, but this file is saying that you cannot become data scientist, you will become a, suppose, software engineer, you will become a network engineer, anything, any kind of thing. So by using write mode, the file content will be removed if it is present, नहीं है तो बन जाएगी, otherwise remove करेगा। even you can make a Python program also, you can create Python program, suppose let me write sum.py, you know that .py is the extension of Python program, sum.py, let's just execute it, कोई error नहीं आया, let me just see now, Python file बन गई, 0 KB, you can create it, you can create anything by using this। I hope you understand, you all are understanding this thing, that what is the importance of this, ठीक है। example 2 very simple, by using path, example 2 में क्या करेंगे, कोई लोकेशन देंगे अपन, अब suppose E colon, but folder has to be there, do remember it will not create folder, अब ये error देगा, देखना क्यों, because drive E is present but there is no folder called my doc, what do you want to say by this line, here we want this file to be created, this file to be opened in W mode, which is whose location is my doc folder inside drive E. Now see, we know that there is no my doc folder in drive E. अब error देगा. There is no folder called my doc in drive E. Now it will give error to you. Folder create नहीं करता ये. File not found error. No such file or directory. File not found error. Always remember. Folder create नहीं होगा. Folder वहाँ होना चाहिए तभी बनेगा. Let's just create a folder. Let us create one folder in E drive. Let me create one folder here. Suppose my doc. Now I have created folder my doc. Fine. Let's just execute it now. See, no error. No error. Let us open that folder now. What is happening in this folder? E colon my doc. You can see. Yes, we got the file. Student. Understood? This is all about write mode. This is all about write mode. That means write mode will give error only. Write mode is always creating a file. You can say it is always creating a file. If it is there, remove करके overwrite करेगा. If it is not there, it will create a 0 KB size. Always it will create a new file. It will always create a new file. It will give error only. Let me write one point only here. Special note about write mode. In write mode, a new file is always new file of 0 KB size is always created or overwritten. That we know. ठीक है. In W mode, file not found error comes only when drive folder is logged or not present. Simple. Drive folder is logged or not present. ठीक है. Now I am giving you one assignment. You just try with A mode. आप क्या करोगे? Just try. So this is one assignment to you. Just try to write A mode, A, and observe the behavior. Simple सा काम है. Observe the behavior. A means append mode. Observe the behavior. Simple thing. Observe the behavior by typing A mode. This is your assignment. Okay.